Hello friends, welcome to my channel Venus Techniques. Today I am going to explain a very simple Python code. This Python code is on how to accept a side of a square and print its area. So friends, let's start. First, I have taken a variable that is side, okay, which is float variable, which is float data type, which is a float data type. Side is equal to float. Input, enter the side of a square. This side of a square will be entered by the user, that is you or me or anybody who is writing this program. Okay. Now after entering the side, we have to calculate the area. How to calculate the area? This is a very simple process. Area is equal to side into side, because we are finding the area of square. So square area is side into side. Okay. Now display portion. Print double inverted comma the area of a square, double inverted comma, simple comma, then area, and it will display the area of the square. See friends, it's a very easy program. So please share, subscribe and give like to my channel. Thank you.